Hello, aspiring GVAs. I'm just here to give you a quick reminder on the 5 days GVA bootcamp later, which will start from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and make sure that you're ready for it. So right now we're here in our website, syncacademy.com. If you already have your account, please check your email for it for the verification and also activation of your account. If you have any problems concerning it, you can go to our Facebook page, facebook.com/syncacademy for the information, or you can just go here in the website and then click this messenger icon and it will redirect you into the Syncacademy page. Okay, it's already here in the website. You can just click it if you have any concerns. Now for the announcements that we will be doing, as you can see, we have here the link above for all our announcements once you're inside the e-learner dashboard. But if you're not yet inside your e-learner dashboard, you can just go to the main website and log in. So as you can see, we have here a form where we need to input our email and password. If you haven't signed up here yet, for those who haven't had their accounts already, you can just put here your information to sign up. If you already have your account, your purchase was already verified, and you saw to it that your email and password is already activated by our admissions team, you can just put it here inside the fields. So right now I'm using my student account, and you have the option here to tick remember me if you want the browser, whatever it is you're using, whether it's Chrome or Edge or Opera. By the way, our site is browser friendly and user friendly, so you can just click here remember me and then sign in, or you can just use your Google account to sign in if it's already inside your browser. So we have here your e-learner dashboard. Now here we have our student account. That's my picture as a student. This is what we call your e-learner dashboard. You will have access to it once your enrollment or admission is being confirmed by our team. So automatically you can have access to your account. Once you have successfully signed into the GVA program, you can just go here into your dashboard. There are also features here that you can explore. And we have here the option for you to complete your profile, meaning you will be uploading your details, your profile photo, and your cover photo. So for the announcements, we have it here. Okay, this is our left side widget. These are all the courses that we have. If you want to check out the courses that you have been enrolled in, you can just go here to My Courses, this tab, and see all the courses that is accessible now to you. So for our GVA enrollees, right now you will only have access to these two. We have the General Virtual Assistance Foundational course, this one, and the Student Handbook. Don't worry if you have clicked the General Virtual Assistant Foundational course for beginners. There is a portion here for your virtual handbooks and guides. So we have here everything that you will be having access to, and also the aspiring GVA groups that you need to click. Okay? Don't worry, you can just skip the Sync Citizenship 101. That's gonna be leading you into our handbook once you click it. And I will be discussing the content of that handbook, but for now, just go here into your aspiring GVA group and click here your Syncacademy group. We have here the aspiring GVAs and also your Facebook group. We have here GVA for Beginners by Syncacademy. If you're not inside this course already, if you cannot access this course, you wouldn't be able to find this group at all. So this is just exclusive for all of you. As for our training requirements and requisites, we will be discussing that later in our session today. So for more information, you can just go into our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it so that you can have a sneak peek of our announcements. If you will be attending the live webinar later, please join your Zoom account, preferably the one that you have enrolled in Syncacademy, the email address that you have used there, so that when we verify it, you can easily come inside the classroom and you will be easily admitted by our staff. Aside from that one, we have here our ground rules. Please watch it in our YouTube channel, Syncademy. There you will find everything that you need to know before you can get inside the classroom later on. So that's it. You're ready for our class later on. See you in the classroom.